Hello there guys, it's me Wisely and welcome. Yes, today I'm here. Yeah, today I'm here at Trinoma, and yes, we're going to buy another ticket for ESGS. Last month I bought a super early bird ticket worth 150 pesos, and now yeah, I'm going to buy 180 pesos worth of tickets, the early bird version of uh, early bird ticket of ESGS. So my god, it's windy there, so yeah. Whew. And yes, yeah, today I'm here at Trinoma, done with my time zone. And then yes, okay, I don't know what to expect. And yes, yes, I uploaded this video on first Monday of first Tuesday, on the second day of August. But I recorded this. Okay. Okay. To those who watch this right now, yes, I upload this video on October, second day of October, and now, but now I'm recording this video September 30, 2018. So, you know, too late because of my Heroes of the Storm video. And now and today I'm going to buy ticket before it change or it increase the price per day, I guess. So yeah. Ooh. And yes, before I'm going to enter this yeah, and now I'm here crowded, but wait a minute. Ooh, escalator etiquette, everybody. This is why I love Philippines. uh, yeah, this is the area that I've seen the NBA store, but now closed. NBA store is now closed. Yeah, too bad. but I'm not a fan of NBA or any basketball. So, whew. And yes, guys, you know, yeah, I've been checking my microphone. Yes, and yes, we're going now to SM North Edge, sa main building, just to buy ESGS. But before that, I'm going to buy something on National Bookstore. Yeah, and I'm going to see some of the supplies that I want for my content. Yeah. So yeah, the next video, next yeah, let's move on. Today guys, yes, I'm done with my buying ball pen. Yeah, that's it, buying ball pen. And then yeah, I'm yeah, so expensive now. Yeah, I love Philippines. I love inflation rate. I love inflation rate. So yeah, very nice. And yes, I'm going to buy at SM Tickets. Yes, SM Tickets. Just to buy ESGS. So yeah, here we go. Let's do this. Oh. And yes, I'm done. I bought the ticket. Yes, ESGS ticket. Yes, as you can see. Yeah, where's the price? What the hell? Ayun. Yes, 180 pesos. So yeah, I'm done. One more ticket to complete my 3-day ESGS. I wish I can buy ticket earlier before the event starts. At least Friday ticket, because Friday ticket was so less expensive than a Saturday and Sunday, which is the same price but a higher price. So that's it for my yeah, that's it for my buying ESGS ticket. Yeah, I'm so sorry that I'm doing this for my 10-minute mark on my video just for buying a ESGS ticket. So yeah, but it's worth to wait because there's so many people Sunday, just like watching movies, and yeah. So alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yes, for more please. Yes, I'm going to buy, I guess. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, and yes, there will be ESGS vlog on MOA. So yeah, subscribe. Ideas and suggestions, yes, let me know in the comments, and that's it. We'll see you guys on the next video, and have a good day.